What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change keybinds in Battlefield 6. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the home screen. This will open your main settings menu. Once you are inside, select mouse and keyboard from the left side. Scroll down until you see the infantry section and then open infantry/passenger keybinds. Here you will find a full list of actions you can customize. Each option can be changed to any key you prefer. For example, if you wanna switch your reload key from R to something else, click on the reload action. A small prompt will appear. Press the key you want. Let's say I want it to be G, and then confirm it by selecting bind. If that key is already being used for another action, Battlefield will notify you so you can avoid overlapping controls. You can repeat this process for movement, combat, interactions, vehicles and more depending on how you prefer to play. Once you are done adjusting everything, simply back out of the settings menu. The game will save all your changes automatically. That's all you need to do to customize your keybinds in Battlefield 6. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.